Hey everybody, welcome back to the Traveling to See channel, where we love to travel, love to share. Traveling is great on land, sea, and air. Come with us as we go and see together how much better our traveling can be. Hey, a great food find in Waveland on the Mississippi Gulf Coast. Waveland, Mississippi. Wow, is this a super find? Sugar Pop Baking Company in Waveland, Mississippi. Boy, oh boy, what a find it is. So what are we going to see in this video? Well, an overview of the Sugar Pop Baking Company in Waveland, Mississippi, ratings and reviews, our experience in June 2024 with their menu offerings, food quality, service, and cleanliness. We'll also cover how to find some other great restaurants in the area. Also, how to find some top attractions on the Mississippi Gulf Coast. And we posted some Sugar Pop Baking Company menus for your review at the end of the video. So now, let's get on with the review. The Mississippi Gulf Coast, Waveland, Mississippi, is the westernmost city in the Sugar Pop Baking Company. Boy, what a wonderful place. Locally owned, it's in the Ground Zero Hurricane Museum building there on Coleman Avenue in Waveland. Ample seating inside. Counter service, but they are very attentive to your needs. Fresh food and bakery goods prepared daily. Very fresh, expertly prepared foods. Very good. Takeout or dine in. Cakes are amazing. Try a mini cheesecake. It's the best we ever ate anywhere. Yelp rates Sugar Pop 4.5, and it is really good, as we have said. Here's their website. And their website shows their sandwiches of the week. So they've got a turkey club sandwich. They also have a smash burger that they have from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. And they do king cakes all year long. There's their addresses. And here are some cakes by Renee. Wow. She makes some amazing cakes. Truly amazing cakes. She was on the Food Network in competition. And there's a quick look at their menu again, and it's posted at the end of the video, so you can check that out there. Look at their case full of wonderful treats there. And they've got some merch. Here's their Facebook page. The Facebook page shows even more of their goods. Look at those. Look at these things. See, they've got sandwiches. They also have all these wonderful baked goods. Just fantastic. Look and behold. And again, I highly suggest try a mini cheesecake. They are fantastic. Now our local TV station, WLOX, covered their king cakes. Listen to this.
Welcome back. Now, like many of you out there, we are also getting into the spirit of carnival season, and this morning we're tasting one of your favorite king cakes.
Yeah, we asked our viewers on Facebook who makes the best king cakes on the coast, and we got a lot of responses.
Sugar Pop Baking Company was one of them, out of Waveland, joining us in the kitchen again. She was just on GMM not too long ago, so this is like your second segment, and not too long, but this is she is a regular. This is Renee the regular, and she brought her, of course, her famous king cake. Yes. So what, and other goodies, of course, too. So what makes your king cake so darn good?
Well, I think we just make everything from scratch, and our cream cheese, our cinnamon, we do a cinnamon paste, so we make sure there's a lot of good cinnamon in there. And I kind of just combine all the king cakes that I like and threw it all into one king cake.
That's the way to do it.
It's a mixture.
I kind of try to just make what I like. So.
And she just said she was from California. So how is it that somebody from California could possibly win this unofficial contest and be a top contender?
That's cool.
You have to know your sweets.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's true.
So we have your king cake. We have some cupcakes here. In the middle, we have, I know I'm treading on thin water here. We have a Dobash inspired.
Yes. Definitely.
Tell us about that.
It's a Dobash inspired or Dobash style cake. I don't want to step on any toes. I'm from California. So, but yes, it's many layers of a cinnamon cake, and it has a custard filling. It has a Swiss meringue buttercream, and then the poured fondant on top with the trio of sugars. So it's tasty cake either way.
Right.
Right. That's the important part. Full of sugar.
That's right.
Okay, I have to dip in.
Go for it.
You know
yes.
I have to. Are we sharing this one right here?
I'll have the purple one since I wore purple today. Now you have a bunch of other, aside from your fabulous top-rated king cake, you have some other Mardi Gras inspired and themed treats here. What do you have here?
So we have our New Orleans inspired cupcakes. So we've got a praline cupcake. It has a caramel filling. Our Dobash style cupcake has a white cake with chocolate custard filling. Our turtle cupcake, and the same king cake is a cupcake as well.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear a word you said because I was tasting all of the flavors of the king cake. What is that? Is that like
delicious?
Is it like a cream cheese inside?
There's cream cheese inside and cinnamon. We do a cinnamon cream cheese, and a strawberry cream cheese.
Y'all, okay. She was in the top tier of those voted, and I understand why. I love king cakes. Mardi Gras is like it's almost tied with Christmas for my favorite season. But this king cake it's moist. It's got plenty of cinnamon in it, which you got to have. That's part of it. Yeah. So this is very good.
And the icing on top. Delicious, 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 delicious. And yeah, I'm sorry, I couldn't hear all the other stuff you were talking about. It looks like she's got Mardi Gras spirit going on.
Definitely.
Well, it's definitely delicious, that's for sure. Well, I definitely had my sugar rush this morning. That's how you call it, sugar pop. For sure.
Sugar pop, that's right.
I'm glad we had the spinach earlier.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for coming on this morning.
Thank you.
We'll have more Good Morning Mississippi coming up right after this. Stay tuned.
Okay, here we go again.
Here goes again. Yeah. Okay.
That was great, wasn't it? Now let's take a look inside of Sugar Pop Baking Company. Again, it's co-located with the Ground Zero Hurricane Museum, right there on the left side of the building. Wonderful, wonderful facilities there. Ground Zero to the right and Sugar Pop Bakery entrance to the left, and when you go inside, you'll be met with a display case full of amazing, amazing treats. Look at that. And lots of space there in the restaurant to eat. Here's another quick glance at the menu. Again, it's posted again at the end of the video. But our experience, we got Emily a birthday cake there, and it was super fantastic. So delicious. Everybody raved about it. It really, really good. And we also had some of the mini cheesecake. That was the best we ever ate. And we've had some of their cupcakes that are out of this world. And it's very, very clean and fantastic. So this has been our review of Sugar Pop Baking Company. Highly recommend you check them out. Pop in, have a cup of coffee and some cheesecake, and you will love it. And like and subscribe. You can see other videos. Traveling to See. We like to travel, like to share. We've got a playlist that covers the top 5 restaurants city by city across the Mississippi Gulf Coast. So check that out. We also have a playlist for the top attractions across the Mississippi Gulf Coast, from the Alabama border to the Louisiana border, including the Barrier Islands. So check that out. So comment below, share your experiences. Have you tried Sugar Pop? And here's the menu. You can check that out. But keep traveling, keep watching, enjoy life. God bless, and we'll see you in the next video.